I enjoy learning languages. I enjoy learning languages. I study English every day. I study English every day. You play the guitar beautifully. You play the guitar beautifully. You have a lovely garden. You have a lovely garden. We drink tea in the afternoon. We drink tea in the afternoon. We plan to visit Japan next year. We plan to visit Japan next year. They sing in a choir. They sing in a choir. They eat healthy food. They eat healthy food. He travels by bike. He travels by bike. She reads a lot of books. She reads a lot of books. It gets cold in winter. It gets cold in winter. He watches movies on weekends. He watches movies on weekends. She owns a small business. She owns a small business. It looks beautiful in the spring. It looks beautiful in the spring. I practice yoga regularly. I practice yoga regularly. I cook Italian food on Sundays. I cook Italian food on Sundays. You swim like a professional. You swim like a professional. You wear stylish clothes. You wear stylish clothes. We celebrate birthdays together. We celebrate birthdays together. We listen to classical music. We listen to classical music. They play chess on Fridays. They play chess on Fridays. They walk to school. They walk to school. He learns French for fun. He learns French for fun. She paints landscapes. She paints landscapes. It shines brightly at night. It shines brightly at night. He writes poetry. He writes poetry. She teaches mathematics. She teaches mathematics. It blooms in summer. It blooms in summer. I visit museums often. I visit museums often. I make homemade bread. I make homemade bread.